Today, you've probably washed your hands, done the dishes, turned on the washing machine. In our daily lives, we often use surfactants. These are water-soluble and surface-active chemicals. They wet surfaces, they are washing active and dissolve oil, they produce foam or prevent it. In industry, precisely these effects are needed. For example, in electroplating or industrial parts cleaning. Precise concentration control ensures stable quality. At the same time, surfactant-containing formulations are constantly being developed and tested. Our SITA-Tensiometers meet these challenges. The DynoTester Plus is our tensiometer for uncomplicated and fast surfactant control. With the measurement at the touch of a button, user-friendly profiles and easy handling, it is best suited for quality control in industrial applications. Our tensiometers for laboratory use are the ProLine T15 Plus and the ScienceLine T100. With the 3 modes, auto, online and single, they offer a wide range of possibilities for investigating dynamic surface tension. The ProLine T15 Plus, like the DynoTester Plus, has a dynamic range of 15 milliseconds up to 30 seconds of bubble lifetime. The T100 goes one step further. The long bubble lifetime of up to 100 seconds extends the range of application to even the lowest surfactant concentrations. All 3 tensiometers have user-definable profiles for individual parameter settings or concentration curves. Our team supports you with laboratory tests and personal advice. Contact us for a consultation. We look forward to hearing from you.